If you could end your procrastination forever in all areas of your life, and if you became unstoppably confident in your life, do you think that would change your life? Well, in today's video, I'm going to give you 4-step formula that you can use to instantly and immediately and permanently overcome any procrastination without any hard work. So check this out.
Thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, author of the book I Love Public Speaking, and before I head out, I wanted to make this quick little video for you to tell you how to exactly stop procrastination, okay? Because a lot of people, a lot of us in general, we procrastinate, right? We have to make that difficult phone call. We want the applause from other people. We want to give that presentation. We have to read that book that I bought last year from that book fair. But someday I'll do it. And that someday never comes. And then one day you die and you think, damn, all the things that I wanted to do, I never did. Why? Because I lived in a special kind of a country, a special kind of a nation. Procrastination. So how do you stop that? So I call it, when I'm coaching my advisory one-on-one coaching clients or even people in the mastermind, here's what I tell them. You need 4 things. I call it the STOP formula. S-T-O-P formula. The first one, S, stands for standard. The reason most people procrastinate is because they have a low standard for themselves. So man, I'm telling you right now, look at me. Dude, you gotta bone up, man up, and increase your standard for yourself. Because when you increase your own I'm not talking about standard of living, I'm talking about standard of life. When you increase your own standard that, you know what, that's not me, that procrastination is not for me anymore. When you increase your own standard, man, life becomes so much amazing for you. So you need to do that. You need to increase your standard for yourself. The second T stands for travel. You gotta travel outside your comfort zone. This can be your comfort zone, but you gotta get out. That's when you feel the power. That's when you understand that, oh, the reason I was in procrastination mood for so many years was because I was just inside my comfort zone. I was just doing the same work. I was doing the same exact work, same exact work, same exact work. I was listening to the same exact music, same food, same food, same food. Why? Or I'm talking to the same friends, because I'm not traveling outside my comfort zone, right? So you need to do that. You need to make sure that you travel outside your comfort zone. The O stands for obsess. Obsession is a very, very powerful word. Warren Buffett, I remember hearing one of his speeches where he said, obsession is the hallmark of a genius. Obsession is a hallmark of a genius. So what are you obsessed about? You have to have a mission. I often talk about in my coaching programs and people in the mastermind. I tell people and my clients that a man without a mission is not a man, it's a boy. So you have to have that purpose, that mission in your life to really upgrade all areas of your life, to really improve yourself. And the P stands for people. If you want to stop procrastination, you need the right people around you. See, that's the reason so many people join a community, join a church, join a temple, join a gym. Why? Because I want to be surrounded by the right people. Why do you think so many people come to the Confident Speaker Conference, which, by the way, you can't be a part of anymore because it's full this year? Maybe you can try out your luck next year. Why do you think so many people become a part of the Balanced Life Mastermind? It's community. It's the power of the community. It's people. You need the right people. So if you're trying to lose weight, don't try to do it alone. Get some people around you, man. If you're trying to go to Goa, don't go alone. Get some people around you, man. If you want to drink, which I don't recommend, but if you want to do, don't do it alone. Get some people around you, man, because the people can help you overcome that procrastination. And say, if you have the right people, they're going to say, hey, you know what? Hey, stop doing that. Let's go. Let's do something important for yourself. You need those kind of people who push you for the right reason, to inspire you to make sure that you make the right decisions for yourself. So this is the STOP formula. You got to increase your standard. You must travel outside your comfort zone. You must have an obsession, and then you must have the right people around you. That's the STOP formula to stop your procrastination forever. And let me tell you something. Once you stop your procrastinations and everything else, hey, come meet me with a chocolate, okay? Here's why. I want that chocolate for you. Like, if I can help you overcome your procrastination, which I've done today, and if you follow this formula, don't I deserve a little chocolate? Maybe Cadbury, maybe Ooty chocolate. I love Ooty chocolates. Handmade Ooty chocolates. I love that. My personal favorite is the orange peel chocolates that you get in Ooty Handmade. So get me some of them. Because why? Because Bishal helped me overcome and stop my procrastination. Okay? Deal? Chocolate is a deal, right? You're not gonna break your deal? Okay, great. Thank you. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to know more about the Confident Speaker Conference. Then you can definitely reach out to one of our team members. You can know about the conference that's happening next year. I think most of the spots are done for this year, but if you already have booked your spots for the Confident Speaker Conference for this year, congratulations. I can't wait to meet you and have fun with you together to help you become the most powerful version of yourself and confident version of yourself. That's my tip for you right now. Bishal Sarkar here, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection. It's all about connection.